So this is a frame of the clock. So as you could see, we actually use the 3D printer and we print four 7 segment plus 2 dots here. So each of them we actually printed in 3D printer separately. And if I take a look to the back side of this, which as you could see here, so we design everything in the Fusion 360. So you should design these small elements and these 4 LEDs, which is here. So see, this is our 4 LED for each section. It's actually really goes inside to the each segment, and you are able to turn on each segment that you have. So as you can see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. You should actually print it separately. These actually components should be printed separately. Then you actually screw the whole thing. So I screw this to the second 7 segment. These the separate design for the dot, and also we have 2 other 7 segments. So each of this will be printed separate the other component for cover, the backside cover. You do the same for other 3, and also dot has its own cover. So then you should actually somehow you need to solder each 4 component that you have. So that means this is the LED, RGB LED that we have. We actually cut 4 of them for each actually segment. So then you need to somehow make something like this. So which are you are soldering each segment. So then you actually somehow use the hot glue and actually glue all of them. So let's put these inside each segment and solder that and see what we are going to get. Okay, this is a final product. So as you can see, it shows the time. So you see the LEDs, the segments which we printed with the 3D printer, and it's going to first show the time, and also is going to be switch between the time and the temperature, and temperature will be based on centigrade. So definitely if you want, you could make a small change on your code and able to display the temperature on the Fahrenheit. It is easy to do. So here we did with centigrade. So if I take to a little closer, you see our segment. So the whole segment is there. If I show you the back side, you see that's all printed, and here we have the sensor which is able to send us the temperature data. So let's do back and see. Yeah, here we could see the temperature is a 25 centigrade. So as I mentioned, it's switched between these 2, and easily you could adjust the time. So that means if you want to have the time longer, you could see the time longer, and if you want to keep the temperature longer, you could do that on your codes. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.